there, Patrick. Oh, banana right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, my mama know how to get down. She don't play that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You only got one, right?
Yeah, I got one. Only one, baby. One by one. And then, when you finish put the onion, people do different. This is the way I do mine.
What do you do?
Some people, they put onion. When they get the onion, smell good. And then you put the pisupo. Not the whole pisupo, only a little bit, make it the taste. And then, after that, you put the soy sauce to marinate the thing. And then, that's it. Only put a little bit to make the taste. That's it. So this one and make the sapasui taste really good.
A guy said that you don't put pisupo, you put pork or beef.
Yes. Who told you all that lie? I'll never make sapasui with pork and... Never. Tell them go to hell. Okay? Shit.
Oh, I didn't even get it.
What?
All that much?
Yes.
All that?
Yeah, because you see the lily? Gotta have brown. See? Right here. Inside. Stir. More.
My favorite.
More. More.
That's a lot of Leah.
You ain't lying. And then you put all this inside right now. Okay. We need to soak for like 15 minutes. And then go like this. Here.
You gotta taste it?
Yeah. Okay. Then we have to cook the lilia. They're done. And then we put the pisupo and that's it.
Okay,
and
so,
do some more water.
Okay.
This is what the way you make, to mix the pisupo. All each and every one. All.
Whew.